So some people misunderstand the value of going ductless and think they can do it themselves. Don't do that. Here are the dangers of doing it yourself. You won't save the money that you think you will. You'll waste a lot of time, trying to figure out how it's supposed to be done right. Not doing it every day. There's a lot of things that you could do, not sizing it the right way, or having the right size, or purchasing it online and trying to do it yourself. Another big thing is a lot of times if you're buying these products online and installing them yourself, you'll actually void the warranty. Not to mention that the refrigerant that's in that unit actually requires a license. And these units are so particular on the way that they're installed that if a step is missed or not done properly, or a corner of any sort is cut, then it could cause your unit to never run correctly, and even worse, never run at all. There obviously are going to be special tools that you'll need. There's lots of things that you can do yourself. I wouldn't say ductless is probably one of those things that you can do yourself, but the best way is to go with a true ductless professional. We've been trained, we're certified, we guarantee that your product will be installed the way that it's supposed to, and you have my word that when you turn to us, we will do it right. So go ahead and give us a call. We would love to show you the benefits of going with the Shanco Advantage on your ductless install.